setter, go get her, nothing better. Call me Mr. Bennett, I'm that top model chick to the everyday hood. Less than all, but more than a few, but I never met one like you. Been all over the world.
By the way, this here is from Alipearl, and they sent me 3 bundles, 2 bundles of 21 to 18 and a 16-inch closure. This is natural wavy, I think, or natural curl. Okay, so this is the wig that I made. I use a sewing machine to start making my wig. It's so snug. It's like the same thing like how I would normally glue my wigs, because you guys know I don't like to sew my wigs because I don't like how it feels. I'm gonna show you how I wore my hair when I was in Jamaica, because you guys been asking me, oh, what kind of hair is, and I'm like, sis, that hair been on my channel for almost a year now. Like, you guys don't pay attention? No? No? Okay. In Jamaica, I use my bolt hole glue, which I'm gonna get a video on that and show you guys how I use my bolt hole glue, because out of all the glues that I've tried in my entire life since I started wearing lace wig or lace frontal, whatever you want to call it, bolt hole has been my ride or die. Yeah, guys, a video about that, because even in that clip in my vlog, if you don't watch my vlog, promo time, promo. Go and watch it. When the rain was falling, when I was doing that photo shoot thingy on the river, I was wearing bolt hole, and me tell you, say, sis, the wig never move. It never move. It never gone away. The only thing go somewhere was my mascara. So I'm gonna give you guys a video on that. This wig, I made it glueless because I want a curly hair that I don't have to glue. I just want grab, go, have the same look. So I decided to make this one glueless, and what I did was I sewed, oh my god, my hands are so ashy. I need lotion. BRB. My hands are not ashy and they're like well moisturized. So yeah, I use the band that is from the dome cap. So you know when you sew the frontal on and you cut off that excess dome cap, I just cut off the elastic band part and I just sew it onto the frontal, and I sew it in the direction of how the dome cap is going. That makes sense? I really suck at explaining stuff, you know. Sometimes I question myself and say, why am I a YouTuber? Why I do videos? Because I can't explain nothing to nobody, so what am I going to learn? I think I need to rethink my life. But anyway, you guys love me same way, right? See that? Girl, you don't need no glue. So what? Oh, girl, this is my first time wearing a glueless wig, and it's tight, but for the look, girl, guys, can you see that? Jesus! And I have 2 comb in the back so I can secure everything. But sister, look at how I'm gonna go side. So that's what I've been wearing in Jamaica. Side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my Aveda styling foam lotion. You can use any foam lotion. I just have this from school, so I'm gonna put this right here because I want it to lay flat. So this is what I did in Jamaica. I put the foaming lotion where I wanted my part to show, so it can help to lay it. I'm gonna put a little bit of the lotion on my baby hair so everything can melt. Oh my god, look at this. I think, honestly, I think this is my best wig so far. So now that's finished. I'm gonna spray some water in the hair. Oh my god, look how this is detangling so well. Okay, so now that I have the hair detangled, I'm gonna go in with my Cantu Curl Custard. And I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. I don't put a lot because it gets crunchy, it gets really hard. And also that's why I do only put this on my hair when it's wet. I don't just go in and put it on my dry hair because I don't like how crunchy it gets really crunchy. So if I really want a defined curl, and I use only this. Like I drench, like I literally wash my wig and then I put so much of this custard in it and it keep it looking like that Kim K wet look. When I say this feels so good, I mean it sheds a little, but then again I cut the weft because I had to cut the weft when I was making my wig, so I cut the weft. So maybe that's the reason why when I was washing them, because I always co-wash my hair before I make my wigs, when I was washing it, it didn't shed at all. So, but it's so soft, it's so nice. Okay, so I think my baby hair probably set already, so I'm gonna take this off. Okay, I'm gonna comb them out. So what I'll do, I'll smooth this out and pull it behind my ears. And then I have this like this. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'm loving this. I really love this. So yeah, don't forget to check out Alipearl. They have this curly hair is bomb. I really like it. Check out so check out Alipearl. I'm gonna put the information in the description bar, like I said before. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know if you like it or not. I'm loving this. Also guys, if you guys want me to make any wigs for you guys, I'm currently offering that service where I make wigs for people. And so yeah, just DM me on Instagram or send me an email. I'll have the email in my description bar. It's easier if you DM me on Instagram, which is Celia Chin. So yeah guys, take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.